Think robot vacuums are just expensive toys? Think again. Let's bust some of the biggest myths about them. Myth 1. Robot vacuums replace deep cleaning. Wrong, they're great for maintenance, but you still need deep cleaning. Myth 2. All robot vacuums are the same. Nope. Some have smart navigation, others just bounce around. Myth 3. They don't work on carpets. The right model can handle even thick rugs. Just check the specs. Which of these myths did you believe? Let us know in the comments.